In today's video, I'll give you my 5-minute review of this 6 litre ultrasonic cleaner. Bought 2 months ago from eBay to clean some brake calipers. It's been £90 well spent. I sized up the calipers I wanted to clean and found that the 6 litre tank gave me the best balance of size and cost, and it's small enough to store on or even under the bench. Shipping was quick and the tool well packaged. The instructions are pretty good for a budget Chinese tool, and the overall build quality is reasonable. This is a relatively low power machine, so the cleaning won't get everything shiny in one pass, and the fluid heating is slow. One of the most important aspects of an ultrasonic cleaner is the fluid mixture used to do the cleaning. There are a lot of household items that can be used as cleaner. Washing powder, generic degreaser, or even petrol will work, but I prefer something more controlled, less aggressive and a little less flammable. After a little googling, I decided on the fluid I'm using here, which is EP24R Ultrasonic Cleaning Solution from Ultrasonic. This is a concentrated solution which can make up to 20 litres of fluid. To quickly make up the right mixture, I've indexed the bottle based on the tank volume. I can pour out the right amount of Ultrasonic and then top up with tap water. It's important to use tap water and not distilled or filtered water, as the inclusions are needed to get the best cleaning effect. Most of the parts that I will be cleaning are aluminium. Parts can be put into the tank as soon as the fluid is in. You don't have to wait for the heating, which is fortunate. This ultrasonic cleaner is quite noisy. The instructions with the tank and reviews online make it clear this is normal. I found the fluid will typically take about 1 hour to heat up to 50 degrees, a little quicker if the ultrasonics are running. The reality is the parts will need multiple passes, so I will run the parts for 5 minutes, 3 times, over about an hour. On each pass I'll lift them out and run a soft brush over them. A good sized tray and an old toothbrush are invaluable here. By the 3rd pass the parts usually come out sparkly and clean. Once the parts are cleaned, I flush them with tap water. If I'm not going to use the parts straight away, then I'll often give them a heavy coating of WD-40. When I ordered the cleaner, I had just one job to do, but I've already run 20 sets of parts through it. Gone are hours of scraping or wire brushing with mess getting everywhere. Parts cleaning is easy and the results are great. The heating is slow, but I'll usually leave it to heat up while I go and get on with something else. By saving up a handful of parts before turning on the cleaner, I don't have to wait again and again for it to heat up. The big tap on one end of the tank makes changing the fluid straightforward, and the strainer saves from losing any errant parts. I can run 4 to 5 calipers through the cleaner before I need to change the fluid, so it goes quite a long way. For me, this ultrasonic cleaner has been a great investment. If your budget allows and you have a lot of mid-sized components to clean, and you're not in a rush, then I can strongly recommend this workshop tool.